Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to see all blocked Gmail in your Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Google Trade. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, come to the top right there, click on your Chrome profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to manage your Google account, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to security. That's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to click on see detail. Then you have to simply scroll down right there and go to Gmail settings. Click on that. Here we go. You have all the numbers of emails that you have been blocked so far on your Gmail account. If you want to unblock them all, simply click on unblock right here, and then this particular contact here will have access back to your Gmail. If you want to copy some of them, let's say for instance you want to copy this, simply highlight it this way, and when you highlight, just press Ctrl C on your keyboard and copy the contact, and then you can start communicate with them. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply see all blocked Gmail accounts on your Google account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.